how to stop Snapchat from still sending notifications on Android. This tutorial shows you how to fix Snapchat notifications that keep coming through even after turning them off. First, open your Android settings. Tap on Apps and search for Snapchat. Tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Notifications. At this point, toggle off Allow Notifications completely to stop all Snapchat notifications from coming through. After that, go back and check if notifications have stopped. In the next step, if notifications are still coming through, open Snapchat on your Android device. From there, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once done, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Following this, go through each notification category and toggle off every single one: snaps, chats, stories, friend suggestions, and anything else listed. From here, go back and check if the notifications have stopped coming through from there. After that, go back to Android settings. Tap on Apps and search for Snapchat, and then tap on it. From there, tap on Force Stop and confirm to fully close the app and reset its background processes. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, check if Snapchat notifications have stopped completely to stop completely. And that's it. If this guide helped you stop Snapchat from sending unwanted notifications, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.